nagpapagawa ng brush set sa China kasi everything is cheap in China, guys. Hello everybody, it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very special one and I'm really happy and excited to do this video because today I will be unboxing my first 2 PR packages and at the same time I will be trying them out. I know what are on these. Eto, medyo na-open ko na, but before ko to na-open, I know na kung ano yung laman nito kasi nga nag-email sila sa akin. And ayan siya, oh. This is the first PR package and this is from Korea, as in, diba? It's so exciting talagang from Korea pa. And this one is from Alive Lab. So the company emailed me and they wanted me to try their products. And sino pa naman ako, diba, na hindi. So, ang sabi ko, of course, I want to try their products. So, eto, nagpadala sila sa akin ng 3 items. And, na-open ko na ito kasi, diba, sa post office, kailangan siyang i-open before they released the package. So, eto na. May 3 items lang inside. And I think these are skincare item. Kaya, after I try out these, kasi etong second PR package ko from Singapore are makeups. So, after I try out these, tatanggalin ko yung makeup ko and then I'll try these. So, eto siya. So, this is the first item. This is the cotton. Ang ganda ng packaging. So, this is the cotton candy ball. And this one is a black spotted nose to a clear, shining nose. Ano daw? Rugged skin to lustrous skin. Bumpy skin texture to smooth skin texture. So, I believe this is a... Hindi ko alam kung ano to actually. But I believe this is a skincare. Yun nga lang, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Maybe I think it's exfoliant. So, that is the packaging. Ang cute-cute niya. It's plastic. And then, ayan, may nakalagay dyan na cotton candy ball. Tapos, walang instruction kung paano siya gamitin. Or meron siguro instruction, but hindi ko lang mabasa kasi it's in Korean. So, let me open it. And, ang cute. Ayan, oh, may parang... Ano ba to? Ayan. May parang pang-pick siya. Kaya siguro may ganyan, pang-pick. Kasi from the word itself, cotton candy balls. So, I believe there are cottons here. Cotton balls. Ganun. So, let me open it. Kasi may ano pa. So, thank you pala to Alive Lab for sending this over. As in, talagang isang buwan ko siyang hinintay. Kasi talagang galing pa siyang Korea. And ito. I think I know what this is na. So, I think this is an exfoliant. So, I think pareho ito doon ba sa CosRX na silk finger ball. Yun nga lang, this one is a cotton ball na hindi mo na ilalagay yung finger mo. So, you have to get, teka ha. So, you have to get ball here. And then, start scrubbing your nose. I'm so intrigued. This will be the first time for me to use this kind of product. So, I will be trying this out. I'm excited. And it smells good, guys. As in, it smells good. So, the next product that they sent me is this one. This is the multi-ice cream. Ang cute-cute nila, no? Cotton candy ball. Tapos ito, multi-ice cream. So, mga dessert yung parang theme ng kanilang products. Ayan, no? May ice cream na drawing dyan. So, ang sabi dito, may English siya. Multi-ice cream manages heat in the skin that causes trouble using Canadian glacial water. Canadian glacial water. This product keeps the skin hydrated and revitalized all day. So, I think this is a moisturizer kind of skincare product. So, may how to use, that's a good thing. How to use, gently dab and spread according to skin texture. According to skin texture? Simply dab and spread. Okay, let me see. So, ayan ang kanyang packaging. So, let me open it. Wala siya. It doesn't have a smell. I think it's a moisturizer. Kasi this one is taken or made from using Canadian glacial water. O, diba? Ang layo ng pinagkuhanan nila from Korea, tapos pumunta pa sila ng Canada. So, thank you so much. I'm excited to try this out. Ay! May spoolie pa siya sa loob. Ang cute. Ayan, oh, may spoolie. Oh. And then, the last item that they gave me is this one. Yung nakalagay doon sa email, you have to shake this down. before using it. So, walang ibang instruction dito. Kaya siguro sinabihan na nila ako ng instructions doon sa email kasi wala talagang English na nakasulat dito. Pocket ball cushion. So, it's a pocket ball cushion. Ang cute ng packaging. Tingnan nyo, guys. Super cute. Silver, tapos pink, tapos shake. Yeah, wala naman ako naririnig. Ayan siya. I think this is for the eyes. Pang ganyan. I think. I'm excited. And it doesn't have a smell. So, ayun lang yung pinadala sa akin ng Alive Love from Korea. So, thank you so much, Alive Love, for sending these goodies over. And then, my second PR package came from Singapore. So, an AliExpress seller. AliExpress is like Lazada that ships worldwide. Yung Lazada, I'm not sure if it ships worldwide, but sikat na sikat kasi yung Lazada dito sa atin, no? But, AliExpress is like Lazada. Ayun lang. And a seller from AliExpress emailed me and asked me if I want to try their product. And they let me choose 3 products. So, ito yung pinili ko. Sa kanyang page doon sa AliExpress. So, this is the TUTU Velvet Eyeshadow. So, ang sabi niya, hindi naman daw ito fake. It's just a cheap brand daw doon sa kanila. And, ayan, TUTU Velvet Eyeshadow. I've never heard of this one before. Pero, sabi lang naman kasi sa akin doon sa email na hindi daw ito fake. So, I trust that email. And, may ingredients naman na nakalagay dito. Tapos, ayan siya, maliit siya. It's a small eyeshadow. So, it has 8 grams. So, this is in the shade 205. Yeah, I remember that. Naka-sealed pa talaga siya. Ang cute! Look at that, guys. Yeah, I remember choosing this color kasi, you know naman, I am into warm eyeshadows. Ay, hindi ko siya ma-open. And you know what, guys? Hindi siya cheap looking yung packaging. It feels sturdy. And para siyang yung sa MAC na mini eyeshadow palette. Ganito din yung sa MAC eh. This one contains 9 eyeshadows. This one is perfect for traveling. Oh my God, I'm super excited. Teka, hindi ko siya ma-open. Ayun. And the packaging looks really sleek. Hindi siya cheap looking, guys. Amazing! And that is the eyeshadows. Oh, cute. Oh my God. Warm colors. And they have a smell. They smell nice. Honestly, they smell nice. It contains 4 foiled eyeshadows. And this one is like satiny, shimmery eyeshadow. And then the rest, itong 4 na ito, are matte eyeshadows. So, I'm really excited to try this out. Ang cute! Oh my God, thank you so much! So, let me swatch the first row. So, this is the first row. That is nice. There you go. Pigmented. Okay, next on the second row, let me check. So, this is the second row. Hindi siya super klaro kasi ito yung shade na yan, no? It's very pale, so it's perfect for transition shades. Next is the gold one. That is also nice. Then this one. Ooh! Ganda ng mga kulay. I like it. Okay, next. The last row. Yung last row, yung super duper excited ako kasi super foiled siya. So, yung last row, dito ko na ilalagay. Okay. This is the last row. Love it! Oh my God! Ang ganda! Okay, next. Ooh! Nice! Ooh! Nice! Ang ganda! And you know what, guys? Yung pinaka super duper gusto ko talaga dito is these 2. Ayan. This one is a rose gold eyeshadow, foiled eyeshadow, and this one is like bronzy. Tapos yung favorite matte shades ko are these 2. Ayan, these 2. Perfect for transition as well as that. Etong tatlo. I love it! Oh my God, first impression, I like it. Especially the packaging. It feels so sturdy. Next, she gave me a lipstick. Ayun, pinapili niya ako kung anong kulay daw ng lipstick. So, ito yung napili ko. Ang laki-laki ng packaging nung sa lipstick ay yan yung kanyang cardboard packaging. And this lipstick is in the shade 201. It's still from TUTU. TUTU is still a brand, but the like, yung line ng lipstick nila is called Diamond Lipstick. Oh my God! Ang ganda ng packaging, guys! Tingnan nyo naman. Kaya pala diamond lipstick. Oh my God! Pwede mo itong ikabit sa bag mo. Oh my God! But it feels very, very magaan, very light. But look at the packaging, guys. Oh my God! This is a lipstick. Parang ayoko siyang gamitin. I want to display it. Ang ganda ng packaging. Well, let me open it. Teka, paano ba ito i-open? Hindi ko alam kung paano. Ayun! The packaging winner. And andyan din yung nakalagay na TUTU. And that is the lipstick. Yeah, I like it. Okay, let me swatch it here. Nice, nice. I think this shade reminds me of a little bit of Velvet Teddy by MAC. Ang ganda. Parang siyang brown na peachy nude lipstick. Ayan, ang ganda. I remember I chose this color kasi yung eyeshadow palette na napili ko is warm. Kasi warm palette. Oh, I'm super happy. And then, the last thing that she gave me is the brush set. Kaya siguro si Miss Ann Klutz, dun siya nagpapagawa ng brush set sa China kasi everything is cheap in China, guys. This has no brand. Wala siyang nakalagay na brand. So, ito yung gagamitin ko in applying the eyeshadows. It has 12 pieces of eyeshadow brushes. So, ayan siya. Maliit siya, guys. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang eyeshadow brushes na malalaki. Ayan, no. Ganyan lang siya kalaki. There's no names here, but you get 12. So, a blending brush, a pencil brush, a lip brush, another blending brush, an angle blending brush, a flat synthetic brush, ganun. And then, an angled liner brush. Basta. Okay, hindi ko na siya lalabhan. Although, it smells like chemically, so don't do this at home, guys. Hindi ko na siya lalaban para talaga magamit ko na agad. Kasi nilaban ko na din yung mga old brushes ko today. Kaya wala akong magamit na eye makeup brushes kasi nilaban ko sila lahat. Okay, so let's start. Zoom ko muna kayo. Okay, so let's start for my transition. For my transition shade, I'll be taking this and that one. Kasi ito very light. I want to use as many eyeshadows as I can. It is a bit powdery. It is showing up on my lids though. Kahit dun sa swatch, hindi siya super klaro like this one. What's important is it is showing up on my lids. Alright, there you go. And then I'll be taking that one. It is a bit powdery, but okay lang. Pigmented naman. I'm using the same brush pala, guys, ha? Ooh, look at the pigmentation. And then I'll be taking this brush. It's a thinner blending brush. I'll be taking this dark orangey shade, this one. Dito lang talaga siya. Oh, super pigmented. Grabe. Super love the eyeshadows. Oh my God, you have to be very careful and very light-handed. And then, I'll be taking this shade right here. See, bronzy na foiled eyeshadow. And I'm taking that on a flat synthetic brush. Foiled eyeshadows are best applied with our fingers. So, let me use my fingers. Much better. Ganda! Oh my God, I super love this shade. Alam nyo ba, guys, because it feels so creamy and buttery, namumove niya yung eyeshadows kapag nadiinan mo sa kamay mo. And also, I'm going to add this gold foiled eyeshadow just on the center para magamit ko lang talaga lahat ng eyeshadows. Ang ganda! Ang pinakagusto ko dito talaga is yung foiled eyeshadows. Oh my God! Ang ganda! And then I'm taking this brush. It's smaller than the second brush na ginamit ko. So I'm taking that. And I'll be using this shade right there on the outer V. Very, very pigmented, creamy, buttery. I have no complaints. This palette is so good. Ano nga pala, konting-konti lang yung fallout niya, guys. As in, super duper minimal fallout. And then for my inner corner highlights, I'll be taking this rose gold foiled eyeshadow and put it here. Oh, diba? Okay, so ayan na, guys. Tapos na ako sa aking eyes. And then, i-apply ko na si lipstick. Pigmented. I love it! So that is my finished look, guys. I think the lipstick matches my eyes perfectly. Oh my god, I love it. I love the lipstick, guys. It feels moisturizing. I like it. It feels really comfortable on the lips, as in. Before I take everything off, I'm going to give you my thoughts muna. So overall, I love this palette. This is so good for the price. And then the lipstick is also nice. Ang ganda ng packaging. Tingnan nyo naman, winner na winner yung packaging niya. Pwede nyo itong ilagay sa bag nyo. First impression, I like it. It feels creamy. It is opaque, very pigmented as well. Basta maganda din siya. Lastly, for the brushes, eto, hindi ako super na-impress sa kanya. Maybe because marami kasi akong makeup brushes na talagang magaganda. Like from Zoeva, I have from Sigma, and I also have from Morphe. So, eto kasi, hindi siya ganun kaganda for me. Basta hindi ko siya nagustuhan. But for the beginners, okay to siya sa mga beginners kung sa mga nagpa-practice lang. Pero ako kasi, since naka-try na ako ng mga super good quality na brushes, kaya hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Yun lang. Okay, so I'm going to take this off now para matry ko naman yung mga skincare items na pinadala sa akin ng Alive Love from Korea. Okay guys, I'm back. Tapos na ako maghilamos. So let's try the Korean products. So I have to exfoliate first. So let's see. So I'm getting one cotton ball. I think this is made to exfoliate around the nose. And then dito din siguro, around my mouth. Pareho sila ng effect nung sa silk finger ball. As in. Pero yun nga lang, eto, para siyang may toner. For I think it's also a toner. Hindi ko lang talaga sure kasi hindi ko mabasa. I'm trying out the multi-ice cream. My skin is dry as of the moment. So I'm excited to try this out. So it has a spatula. So let me get like maybe that much. Put it to the back of my hand. And then let's see. Feels moisturizing. Para lang siyang aloe vera gel. Oh my god. Feels good. It feels good. Oo nga pala, kanina wala akong naaamoy sa kanya pero ngayon na it's on my face, it smells good din. It feels good and it smells good. Oh my god, I like it. Hala ka guys. I like it. Maganda siya guys. Hala. Para lang siyang aloe vera gel. As in, parang bang malamig yung mukha mo. Alam nyo, perfect tong mga ganito para ma-close yung pores mo. Kasi malamig siya, diba? And at the same time, binu-moisturize niya yung skin. I like it. First impression. It smells good. Wala ka, ang gaganda ng mga pinapadala sa akin, ano? I'm so blessed. Thank you so much, Alive Love Korea. And then, eto. Ayan. Sabi kasi, shake well before use. So, shake natin. Hala, ang lamig. Ang lamig, guys. I like it. Medyo masakit lang yung roller ball. Ayan, parang nasobrahan yung product na nalagay ko. So, i-spread ko na lang gamit yung kamay ko. Okay. So, sa tatlo, yung pinaka-top favorite ko is this one. Maganda siya, the multi-ice cream. Kaya siguro may nakalagay na ice cream kasi malamig siya. Ito yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko sa tatlong products na pinadala sa akin ng Alive Love. So, I like it. And I'm excited to use this more. As in, talagang uubusin ko to. So, thank you so much, Alive Love, for letting me try your products, for sending this over. Aling pa talaga ito ng Korea. Tapos yung isa galing Singapore. I'm so blessed. So, thank you so much. And, yes, that's it guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. As in, I love you so much guys. Thank you so much for the support. And, yes, yun lang. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like this video. Comment down below if you have any requests and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye guys! I'll see you on my next video. God bless everyone. Mwah!